Respected correspondent, sir, dear HODs, staff teaching and non-teaching, and my dear boys and girls, a very good morning to you all. So it's again a very happy moment. Actually, we have preponed the happy moment because we generally used to have the symposium in the even sem, and this time we have preponed to odd sem because lack of time in the even semester. We are now going to celebrate it in the odd sem. And many of you, I think, would be knowing and would not be knowing the meaning of conduction of symposium, because it's actually a technical forum where it has now been diverted into a lot of non-technical events also, right? So let us also concentrate on the technical event of this forum. What is the actual motive of conducting this symposium? And generally in every college, if you feel like they will be having the symposium conducted for the outside college students. So you will be having different departments of papers coming in from different colleges, and then they will be presenting the paper. You will be organizing it. So definitely you will be developing a skill called organizing skill. So beyond that also, you people will be attending conferences, the symposium in other colleges, wherever they conduct. So you don't have, all of you don't get the opportunity. This is what I've been observing, that very few people get the opportunity to go out and present the papers in outside colleges. So from last year, we have decided to have our own student symposium in the first day, and then the coming days will be for the outside students. I think every one of you would encourage this and also will be appreciating this effort, because this has made many students come out of their skill, and I have personally witnessed the skill of many students which I was not knowing it earlier. So what is the main contribution of this is going to be in your future? Actually, every one of you will be preparing a CV. Either you're going to go for a higher education, you're going to do your research, you're going to join a company, or you're going to start as an entrepreneur. Whatever it is, you're going to have a CV, that is a curriculum vitae, in which I think 90% of this should be a contribution of your knowledge. This many of us do not understand. If you just write your academic credentials, your CV is going to be highlighted and people are going to pick you up for any job. It is not so. The academic credentials is only a supporting form, and what is the contribution you have done during this gaining this academic credentials is very important. So the knowledge contribution is going to play a major role in your during your student life and beyond that also. So this particular symposium or the conference where you're going to discuss technically on the concepts which you have learned. Actually, many of you would have taken the material from Google. That's not at all a mistake. You can take the Google material, but what is your contribution makes a lot of difference. What is that you're going to suggest? Definitely every research will have a flaw. Everybody would have left it in some area where it has to be continued by this other person. So what have you understood by that particular experimentation, by that particular research, and what is your contribution to make it perfect? So this is what is the responsibility of a student when you go for presenting a paper, presenting a poster, or presenting any paper in your research papers in your conferences. So this should be kept in your mind, and I want every one of you to attend each and every session. It's not like once you finish your session and your job is over. It's more than that. You have come here to learn, share your academic ideas. You have come to share your knowledge. So kindly make sure that you stay the entire session. Show interest on the areas in which the others are going to be presenting the paper, and have a lot of contribution from your side when you're presenting the paper. At the end of the session, 1 or 2 minutes will be given to you, that is only for to know what is your contribution in that particular presentation. It's not only just getting this PPT done by taking the downloads and then presenting whatever is there in the slide. Do not read the slides, speak it out on your own, understand the concept, and you have to present it. Presentation skills itself is a big skill. And I would like to give you one message in this, that is everybody needs it, even me and even you. That is nothing but get ready or get yourself a 1 degree more habit. Have you ever heard of this 1 degree more habit? Any one of you? Getting into 1 degree more habit. That's nothing but if you just take an example of water. If you heat the water to 99 degrees, what do you call that water as? Yeah, hot water. Okay. If you just increase 1 degree to it, at 100 degrees Celsius, what will be the form of that water? It will boil and you'll get steam, right? So what does the steam engine does? The steam is capable of pulling the entire train with the load of people, isn't it? So when it is 99 degrees, it is just hot water with 1 degree raise in the temperature makes it energetic and it is able to pull the train. So that is what you need to learn and how we are going to relate this to your life. So every one of us has some energy and we do certain things to achieve our goal. But we reach till the goal and we come back. We don't put that extra effort to reach the goal finally. So same thing happens in a running race. A person runs and one will be the winner and other will be saying that I too ran in that race, that's all. If he has put an extra effort, then he would have been a winner. So this is what happens in your life also. So that extra effort makes all the difference. All the successful people would have put that extra effort. You will not have a thermometer in your life to check the temperature whether it is 99 degrees and 1 more degree increase is required for success. You should have your own temperature measurement and you should have your own effort measurement and you have to put that extra effort to make all the difference. So all the very best, be confident, do well, God bless you all.